Hi everyone, and welcome to this course where we're gonna learn data structures in Java. So in this first video, we're gonna see what we mean by data structure, and then we will move on to the roadmap of this course where we're gonna see the different data structure we will be covering in this course. So without any further ado, let's get to it. So then the first thing that we have to know before we jump to an IDE and start coding is what is a data structure, what we mean by data structure. Basically, data structures are one of the most fundamental concepts in computer science. They are the ways we organize and store data so that we can efficiently perform operations on it. And in general, in programming, if we don't organize our data well, our applications can quickly become inefficient and hard to manage. And in this course, we are going to explore some of the most essential data structures that you will encounter in Java programming. And here is a quick roadmap of what we will cover. So first, we will start with arrays. Next, we will dive into strings. Then we will move on to lists, and after that we will see stacks and queues, and we will also discuss maps, and finally we will talk about sets. And by the end of this course, you will not only understand how these data structures work, but also when and why to use them in your own Java projects. And before we dive into the content, let's quickly go over the tools we will be using throughout this course. So first thing, you need a JDK installed in your machine. In this course, I'm going to use the version 21. You can also use the version 17 if you have it. And then you also need an IDE. In this course, I'm going to use IntelliJ IDEA. I have the ultimate version. You can also use Eclipse or the community version if you have it. And that's it for this introduction video. If you found it helpful and want to continue learning, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.